Hey guys, okay, so we have another little alert that's come through. Rushed over quickly to the computer. It is, let's have a look. Let's just jump over to the alert. Okay, so this is what we just got 30 minutes ago, so I hope I've not missed it. It's GBPJPY. So let's just pop over to TradingView. Look at that OB. So I'm going to stay on the 3 minute, and I'm going to wait for a break of structure on the 3 minute. A big enough break of structure. And like I said, I like to see a big push down, a strong push down that is going to break my structure, right? So I'm going to wait for this to come back. So I'm gonna stop it there, guys, and then I'll come back once I have seen that there's some kind of structure happening. All right, we'll catch you guys in a bit. All right, so I was actually busy eating lunch, and then out the corner of my eye, I see this little break of structure. So this is kind of what we were looking for right here. So what I will be looking for right now is price to come back to here, hopefully tap us in, and then we should be in the trade. I've got to hurry though, because this is going to happen probably quite quickly. So what I'll be looking for is about 20%. Let me just mark up my 20% first. So we'll be looking at about there. My stop is going to be just above that previous wick there. I mean, we could do it a lot tighter and go to about a 5. Let's do that. And then our 1 to 1 will be about over there. Our 1 to 5 will be over there. Okay, so let's mark this up. Okay, if we get another break of structure, I might look at doing another pending order. But there, so we're in at the moment, and I will let you guys know as soon as so I've placed that pending order. I will let you guys know as soon as we are in that trade. Okay, all right guys, we'll catch you soon. Cheers for now. Okay guys, just going to quickly go over this. So I added a 15-minute, I added one on the 15-minute, and it triggered, and I've already got the 1 to 1. So what I'm going to do is, if this one goes to the 1 to 5 without hitting the stop, that'll be it for the day. But if this does go back and hit the stop, then I should have triggered the 5-minute OB. So let me take you over to the other window quickly. There we go. So on this one, you can see that the yellow is the 15-minute OB. We were triggered in over there. It came back down. We got our 1 to 1. So this is now a risk-free trade. So I'll update you guys as soon as this either hits stop or hits the take profit. All right, guys. So we're back with this GBPJPY trade. It's still active. You can see we pushed all the way down to just over 4R. This all happened while I was out. So Tuesdays and Thursdays are always a little bit difficult for me, because I, apart from work stuff, I also coach gymnastics. So I didn't see anything until now. I've just come back, and we did push all the way back. Not really that close to the stop. I always felt very confident with the stop. It might still come back and tap us out, but we've really got our 1 to 1. So this is it's a no risk trade. We came very close to the 5R. So if a trade had gone on as long as this one did, and I was sitting in front of my computer, I might have just closed it at 4 and taken 2.5 for the day. But you know, let's let it run. The only thing is now, I mean, we've still got it pushing down quite hard now, and I think we still can potentially go down to these lows here. And even if I go to the 1 hour, you know, this down here, I think is still going to be tested. So I think price might push down to the lows here. It might even keep pushing, because I mean, if you look at where price is kind of going now, it's still kind of just pushing down, right? So I don't know. I don't see it breaking through there because there's so much here, but it might do. It might push up and take us out. Then it's just a no trade, and this day becomes a 0 win, 0 loss day, which is always better than any loss, right? So you know, I don't mind it that much. I don't mind not having any wins. I mean, I like to stick to days that I can at least get 1 or 2 hours, but you know, it is what it is. We haven't taken a loss yet. Even if this one hits the stop, it's still a break-even trade. So I'm just going to leave this to run overnight, and then as soon as I am up tomorrow morning, I will check on this and do a quick update. Here we go. This is that trade. As you can see, we're still running. It's really kind of started ranging almost in between my stop and my TP. Dead center is where it's kind of ranging. But we have a kind of another break there, another break there. So I'm hoping this is going to keep pushing down. I'm going to leave this TP as it is, and just see how it goes. If this is still anywhere around here by towards the end of the day, because it's NFP today, so I might just close this out. Even if it's TP3, I might just close it manually. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, guys, I'm just going to do a quick update on that GBPJPY trade, because it's just kind of bouncing around. It's ranging, and at this point, I feel like it could go anywhere. So what I'm going to do is, let me just go to the thing for you guys. As you can see, I've actually moved my my stop to, or my take profit, sorry, to TP3. So what that'll mean is if this hits it, it's a 2-hour trade, and I don't mind taking that. So I'd like to see it come back down and push over there. If not, then it hits the stop loss, and it's a 0 trade, which, you know, to be in a trade this long and not get anything for it is kind of frustrating, but I'd rather that than a loss, right? I've always said I'd rather have a no trade than a losing trade. So, you know, I hope this will come down and hit my TP kind of by around lunchtime my time, so I'm out, and then when it comes to the NFP, I can just concentrate on that. And potentially with the NFP, hopefully I can get my 3R today, which, you know, then I'm happy with. Even if I get a 3R today and a 2R yesterday, that's pretty good. That's the day before I got 5.5 R. So, you know, overall every single day I'm still hitting my 3R. So let's see how this one goes, guys. I will update you as soon as it hits the stop or the take profit. All right, we'll catch you guys in a bit. Hey guys, okay, so a quick update on that GBPJPY trade I was in. I had switched it out to the, let me just switch to this view for you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see, I moved my my take profit to just past the TP3, which hit nicely. Pushed down a little bit further, so even if we were pushing for the TP4, wouldn't have closed yet. You know, I'm glad to be out of that trade now, because it was just, you know, going on and on and on. And we've got NFP coming. It's Friday, so I don't really want to be in this trade over the weekend. So I'm happy to close it with, what would that be, a 2R. So we made 2R on that one, which is not bad. What I want to do as well is, let me quickly show you guys where that puts us on the FTMO trial. Making some nice progress over here. Okay, so as you can see, current one, metrics. So there we go. We've got a nice increase in our account there. I mean, we've gone in like, what's this, 3 days. We've gone from being 244 under to almost 200 over. So the second I started trading strictly with this strategy, you can see we've just had a nice steady increase. So currently sitting on 6 days. We have still got 4 days to make, what's that, about 320 odd dollars. So very doable considering we've just made 400 in like 2.5 days. So I'll keep you guys updated on that as well. All right, cool guys.